Hi everyone, welcome to another origami demo. This is Austin behind Origami Guy 04, and in this video I'm gonna demo this really cool origami box designed by Jeremy Shafer, and his tutorial for it is right here. So this is not just any box. What's really cool about it is that it opens. You take these two flaps and you open them like this, and you can stick something in there. And what's really cool about it is that I actually really love the way it closes. Just push the flap in and it just stays closed like that. Same here. How cool is that? This is a really awesome model. So I don't really know why it does this, but it's really neat. It's like these two flaps are magnetic, so they just stay closed. How cool is that? And what's also cool about this model is that you can attach an origami flower to it. And he taught this flower for his members only. So you have to be a member of his channel to fold the flower. And it's only like $5 per month. So it's just like mine. But yeah, it's a really cool flower. And the flower even slides. You can slide it like this. How cool is that? And yeah, this is an awesome model. And I folded the flower from a 3-inch square of kami that's red on one side and yellow on the other. And it came out really nice. And the box I folded from a 6-inch square of kami that's blue on one side and white on the other. And this is the kami I use. So it's this 40 color, and the brand is Daiso. Yep, and this is the results. And yeah, alright, well that's pretty much it for this demo. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Alright, bye bye.